Welcome tech enthusiasts to another deep dive into the heart of cloud computing. Today, we embark on a journey through the intricate landscape of Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, better known as AWS VPC. In this video, we'll explore the nuances of AWS VPC subnets, focusing on the crucial interplay between public and private subnets. Let's kick things off by understanding the fundamentals of AWS VPC. It's the cornerstone of your cloud infrastructure, providing a secure and isolated environment for your applications to thrive. Imagine AWS VPC as your virtual data center in the cloud. It allows you to define your own network topology, control your IP address range, and configure route tables. The flexibility it provides is the bedrock of scalable and secure cloud solutions. Now, let's unravel the significance of subnets within AWS VPC. Think of subnets as the neighborhoods within your virtual city. They enable you to segment and organize your resources, providing a structured approach to resource allocation. Each subnet is associated with an availability zone, allowing you to distribute your resources across multiple data centers for high availability and fault tolerance. As we venture further, let's explore the roles of public and private subnets in an AWS VPC. Public subnets are like the bustling city squares, hosting resources that need direct access to the internet, such as web servers. In contrast, private subnets act as secure enclaves, providing a haven for sensitive systems like databases. The flow of traffic between these subnets is carefully orchestrated, ensuring a robust and secure architecture. Now that we understand the theory, let's put it into practice. Join me as we navigate the AWS console to create a VPC with both public and private subnets. This hands-on approach will demystify the process, making it accessible to all skill levels. Go to your VPC's dashboard, click to create VPC. Here, we'll define the CIDR block. AWS provides two types of creating VPC and relates resources, VPC only and VPC and more. In VPC and more mode, they will help you create subnets and route tables also. In the case you want to manual create subnets, go to Subnets navigation, choose Create Subnet. Then choose VPC where you want to create subnet and define your subnet configuration. The default type of subnet is private. If you want it to be public, after creating it, go to Subnets Detail and edit subnet setting. Enable auto-assign public IP4 address, then save. Utilizing NAT gateways for private subnets. As our VPC takes shape, we encounter a critical element for secure communication from private subnets to the internet, the NAT gateway. Picture this as the guardhouse at the entrance of a secure compound. The NAT gateway enables private instances to access the internet while keeping their identities hidden. It's a secure bridge, allowing outbound communication without exposing sensitive systems. Best practices for designing and managing AWS VPC subnets. Now that we've built our foundation, let's explore best practices for designing and managing AWS VPC subnets. Think of these as the architectural principles that ensure the longevity and resilience of your cloud infrastructure. Optimizing CIDR blocks, strategically placing resources across availability zones, and leveraging security groups are just a few key strategies. These practices ensure not just efficiency but also a robust defense against potential vulnerabilities. As we conclude our exploration of public and private subnets in AWS VPC, remember that a well-designed VPC is the bedrock of a secure and scalable cloud infrastructure. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your engagement fuels our passion for creating content that matters.